Hi, Professor Crusoe here, and we are in Math 1100 Pre-Calculus. We are Section 6. This is for Monday and Wednesdays from 6 to 7:50 p.m. This is Blackboard, and this is your class material up at the very top. Here's your syllabus, and your syllabus is right here for spring 2021. We're going to go through this in a second, and we're going to talk about Wiley in just a minute. Course flyer for Wiley is here and how to get onto Wiley. Wiley is where most of our homework is going to be, how to register for Wiley. There should be a 6-month option. There's also how to make a PDF of your assignments, uploading assignments to Blackboard. Here's your Zoom link. We will have this set. This is our set meeting schedule. If something happens and the link breaks, I will post a new one. There are announcements here, so I will post any announcements in the announcement section. For our Wiley assignments there, you have 2 posted and your Zoom link. We already did the readiness assessment. That was completed on Monday during class. Chapter 0 is where we're starting. If you need help with solving linear equations, these are some videos that I have found. I will post class videos from Zoom and get those recorded. Here's chapter 0.4 inequalities, 0.5 graphing equations, and 0.6 lines. And then there's chapter 1, some videos. Again, these are videos I have found that are beneficial. So function versus relation, understanding. These are all videos that you can watch for extra, if you need extra videos of how to do something from what we've done in class. Your assignments are mainly on Wiley. However, in chapter 5 and chapter 6, we end up doing some assignments here. Quizzes will be in Blackboard. Test will be in Blackboard. Your grade is in Blackboard as well. So for the syllabus, we will be doing Zoom and check Blackboard and Wiley. Homework assignments are on Wiley. You need to buy the online access. And to do the online access, the 6 months or semester class is about $70, and that's cheaper. When you go to Wiley and log in, you're going to look for the Math 1100 Spring after you've already added it, and you need to make sure that you're under Richard Stockton College. It's not Stockton University. So over here, your view is going to look something like this. And it's going to say Introduction to Wiley. These are your upcoming assignments here. And these are undated assignments. These are the things that you can do. Adaptive practice. These are not required. These are just to help you. These are adaptive practices for chapters 0 to 6 and the A chapter and an algebra refresher. Click on the Wiley course material underneath home on the left. So it goes account, dashboard, courses, and then on courses it says home, Wiley course resources. When you do on Wiley course resources, I need to exit out of my view, sorry. When you click on the Wiley resources, you can launch an e-textbook, or you can look at each section like chapter 0, and you can look at one of those sections by itself. This is a 0 chapter inquiry-based learning project. So these are the pages for that first 0 inquiry-based learning. If you do, there's lecture opener on 0, student exercises on 0, linear equations. So here's your linear equations. When you click on that, takes a while for mine to load. I should have had it loaded. Sorry about that. So it gives you a video for it. Let's go back. Oops. Your book part should be there too. So these are just all kinds of stuff that you should be able to see in their videos. Your assignment is actually here on Wiley, and it tells you when it's due. If you ever get stuck and you don't see your assignments, you can always go over to the left on calendar view and you can see when they are due there. Office hours are from 5:30 to 6 via Zoom. If you cannot make that, I strongly suggest that you do the extra help at Stockton. And that's J105 for the tutoring center. And if you're online, it's www.stockton.edu/tutoring center. Makeups, I need advance notice. And I also need no makeups for quizzes and exams unless you have Stockton University approved documentation. If you don't have that and something came up, please email me and let me know so we can take care of that and see what's going on. Attendance, I'm not taking attendance. I just kind of mark it down to see if you were there and what's going on, if you had to attend, so we can figure out how class is going, what's going on for you. You are expected to be on Zoom for 3 exams, exam 1, 2, and 3, and the final exam. Exam 4 is not required to be on Zoom. That would be on your own time. Homework assignments will be on Wiley Plus. You get 3 submissions. It might be 5 this semester. Often it's entering Wiley, an X, like if you did a capital X or a lower X. Entering is the problem on Wiley. If they use a Greek symbol and you use the wrong Greek symbol, they'll mark it wrong. Videos and handouts are on Blackboard. Quizzes and tests are on Blackboard. Every now and then a homework will be on Blackboard. Okay, if it's posted on Wiley Plus or Blackboard, you're responsible for it. Exam 1 is on 210. Exam 2 is on 3.3. Exam 3 is on 3.22. Exam 4, I give you a week to complete that on your own time. For trig quizzes will be posted on Blackboard. Lowest 2 dropped. Homework, most of it on Wiley, but the lowest 2 are dropped. All grades are on Blackboard. Final exam is 25%, and that's 6 to 8 on May 3rd. There's the grading scale. For the IDEA evaluation, this isn't where a class where we get to do projects. We have lots of material that we have to learn. It's mainly a lecture-based class. It's on factual knowledge, methods, principles, generalization, theories. This is a class that you need a good foundation in order to go to calculus. So that's what our evaluation, that's what our surveys are on. Drop add until February 1st, and for 100% refund. Our final exam is on May 3rd. Here is our syllabus. It is subject to change. For example, Monday night, we did not get all the way through all of the sections. We did inequalities and linear equations. So we didn't get through 0.5 and 0.6 because we had so many issues with the pretest. So you can go through and you can look at that for the syllabus. So that is mainly what we went through for our class and what's expected. If you have any questions, please email me or log on to the Zoom meets, and I'll see you guys at class.